How to use wait node in n8n. So to do that, you first need to head over to your n8n workflow. Then click on this plus icon, click on this search, and search right here for wait. You can see this wait before continue with execution. So let's click on this option right here. Now you can choose right here the resume right there. You can choose between after time interval, specified time, webhook call, or form submission. On my case, I'll just choose right here time interval. Let's choose right here the wait unit, which is minutes, and I'll input right here wait amount of around 10 minutes. After that, you can head back to your canvas, and as you can see, we have this wait tab. You can just input right here another node. So once these first two are done, it will wait for 10 minutes, and then it will execute the next node that we will add into this case. For example, let's add right here an action. Let's choose right here this one, and then choose right here this. And then it will wait for a while and then perform this next action. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.